Pictures is a powerful multimedia management application for Android devices that focuses on organizing, viewing, and sharing photos, videos, and films. The app provides a sleek and intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to navigate through their media collections. With Pictures, users can effortlessly browse photos and videos stored on their devices, making it an excellent tool for quickly accessing cherished memories. The app offers features like automatic organization by date or album, customizable folders, and support for various file formats, ensuring a high degree of flexibility for managing content. Pictures also includes editing tools that enable users to enhance their photos and videos directly within the app, such as cropping, filtering, and applying special effects. Additionally, users can share their media easily on social media platforms or through messaging apps, fostering connectivity and interaction. Furthermore, the app prioritizes privacy by offering secure storage options and various access controls, ensuring that users can keep their content safe. Overall, Pictures serves as a comprehensive solution for users who want an organized, efficient, and enjoyable way to manage and share their visual content on Android devices.